There's a channel on YouTube right now with over 30 million subscribers, and their videos are pulling in billions of views. Now, here's the shocking part. These videos are not complex at all. They're super simple. Just a logo, a background, and a music track. And guess what? This channel is making around $1.3 million every single month from these basic videos. Insane, right? Well, today, I've put together a step-by-step guide to help you do the exact same thing, using nothing but AI tools. All you need are the powerful prompts that I've already provided for you in the description below. In this guide, I'll show you everything. How to create a catchy channel name, design a professional logo, generate AI songs with vocals, make eye-catching backgrounds, edit it all into a viral music video, and finally, optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions so your videos get discovered. So let's dive in. Step 1. Channel name. The very first thing you need is a strong, memorable name for your channel. For this, I've provided a special prompt. All you have to do is copy it, open ChatGPT, and paste it. ChatGPT will then act as a YouTube expert with over 5 years of experience, and it will generate 15 unique channel name ideas for you. Once you have the list, pick the one you like most. But before finalizing, make sure you search it on YouTube. You don't want a name that's already taken by a big creator. Step 2. Logo. Again, I've provided a detailed logo prompt. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, replace the words "insert channel name" with your actual channel name, and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate your logo instantly. You can also use other AI image generators if you want, but honestly, ChatGPT's designs are really solid for logos. Once you have the design, just download it, and your professional-looking logo is ready. Step 3. Song or music. Now comes the fun part, your actual song. I've already written a detailed prompt for you, with examples included. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get a song title, the genre, the mood, and even full lyrics. Then, go over to Sono AI. Click on Create, and switch to Custom. Paste in the lyrics from ChatGPT, then copy the genre and mood into the Styles box. In More Options, type in the song title. Hit Create, and in just a few seconds, you'll get 2 AI-generated soundtracks. Listen to both.
Lost in the fire, I'm burning inside. Lost in the fire, I'm burning inside.
And download the one you like best. If you want full commercial rights, just grab their subscription. It's only $10, and it even allows you to upload your songs to Spotify. If you're on the free plan, you can create up to 10 songs per day, and even those come with no copyright issues. Step 4. Background image. For the background visuals, I've given you over 21 powerful prompts to generate the perfect image, especially in anime style, which works really well. Open ImageFX, paste the prompt, select aspect ratio 16:9, and let it generate 4 unique images. Pick your favorite one and download it. Now you have your logo, your song, and your background image. Step 5. Editing. Here's where it all comes together. For editing, we're going to use a free tool called musicvid.org. Once you're there, here you'll find different templates. Open Circle Spectrum and upload the song. Then in background, upload the background image. Vignette amount should be 0.25, and mirror should be none. In particles, reduce the number of particles. In spectrum, reduce scale according to image, or select 0.50. In emblem, upload the logo. That's the basic settings. You can adjust anything as you want, and you can play the video.
Lost in the fire, voices calling, I drown them out. We're getting closer, hold me tight, I'm burning.
Once ready, go to Export and click Start Encoding. You can or cannot add the attribution to the description, and it will download automatically after exporting. Step 6. SEO. Now, let's make sure your video gets views. For that, you need a clickable title, a strong description, and the right tags. I've already included a detailed SEO prompt in the document. Just paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate everything for you. Engaging titles, optimized descriptions, and viral tags. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start uploading videos to YouTube and building your own music channel. With consistency, the right SEO, and a little creativity, there's no reason you can't grow into the millions of views too. So what are you waiting for? Open the prompts, follow the steps, and start creating. This could literally be your first step toward building a channel that makes money while you sleep.